Hello and welcome to my video. I'm going to share with you my current shaving routine. So I'll just get started. So in front of me here I have a bowl of hot water, and I'm just going to spend a little bit of time softening my scalp and the little growth of hair that I have. So just use a cloth to set on my head. Okay, the next step is using a pre-shave oil, and I use one like this which has tea tree, peppermint and lime. Just apply that all over the scalp. Okay, so at the moment the product I use for the shaving part is this here, Praso shaving cream, and it foams up very well, so it just comes out like so. And I'm actually just looking at a mirror here, so I'll not be looking directly at the camera. And to foam this up, I use just a regular shaving brush. And as I don't have very much growth, there's only like a couple of days growth, I'm just going to shave against the growth of hair. just a bit more in the back. Okay, just turn around so then you can see how I do the back of my head. Okay, just going to go and rinse this off and then I'll be back for the final bit. Okay, so for my final stage, I like to finish off my shaving routine by using aloe vera gel, and that's basically to moisturize the scalp after the shaving. And this also would soothe the scalp if you have any irritated areas. So as well as moisturizing, it has soothing property as well. So that is my shaving routine. If you've watched to the end, I appreciate it very much. Thank you. And if you like these videos, please feel free to subscribe, as I will be doing more of these. Thanks for watching. Bye.